Have you heard about the recent unauthorized selling incident involving EigenLayer? This event unfolded in early October of 2024, when a malicious attacker compromised an email thread between an investor and the custodial service of EigenLayer, an Ethereum restaking protocol. The attacker successfully misled the team into transferring over 1.6 million Eigen tokens to their wallet. These stolen tokens were then sold via a decentralized swap platform, causing a slight plummet in the price of Eigen. The incident was promptly identified and reported by the EigenLayer team, who assured the community that this was an isolated incident and not a result of any protocol or token contract vulnerability. They also started collaborating with law enforcement to resolve the issue and managed to freeze a portion of the stolen funds. However, this event stirred up a whirlwind of controversy and skepticism. Critics and community members alike began questioning why the tokens were sent directly to investors without a vesting contract, especially as these tokens were supposed to be under a lockup period. They also highlighted the need for better security measures in the crypto space. Andreas Pensold, CEO of Pandora, a firm specializing in decentralized physical infrastructure networks, commented on the incident, calling it a prime example of social engineering. He emphasized the need to eliminate human error with smart contracts and cease the reliance on manual handling of token vesting. Echoing this sentiment, Ido Ben Natan, CEO at crypto cybersecurity firm Blockade, stressed the critical need to validate every single on-chain interaction. He pointed out that attackers often exploit gaps in what should be routine verification steps, rather than technical flaws. Artem Irgabev, a smart contract triager at Immunify, another crypto cybersecurity firm, also highlighted the effectiveness of anti-phishing training and rules in minimizing the impact of phishing attacks. In the aftermath of the incident, the price of Eigen fell to a low but has since made a slight rebound. Despite the controversy and the temporary dip in the price, the EigenLayer team remains committed to resolving the issue and assuring the community of the protocol's security. To sum up, the unauthorized selling incident involving EigenLayer resulted from a compromised email thread leading to the sale of stolen Eigen tokens. The EigenLayer team responded swiftly, identifying the issue, collaborating with law enforcement, and freezing a portion of the stolen funds. However, the incident has raised concerns about security measures and the handling of token vesting in the crypto space, highlighting the importance of routine verification steps and anti-phishing measures in preventing such incidents.